What's up everyone, Corey Parks here again. I wanted to take you through another walkthrough of a project that we completed. This homeowner called us after noticing signs of moisture in their crawl space, and they were looking to get some opinions on what all was going on, why was it going on, and what can be done to rectify it. So they called us out here. Just want to walk through some of those photos here. Pretty nice crawl space door here, which is really uncommon that we see. This is something we see quite often. They found out they had moisture problems. They went and stuck this down there. We've got other videos on this you can search our YouTube channel on, but this type of dehumidifier is made for a bedroom, and it's not made for a crawl space, because a crawl space, the humidity in a crawl space can get up 85, 90, 95%. Obviously if it's raining, it could be 100%, whatever the case is. But this dehumidifier is not made to bring that from 85% down to 50%. This dehumidifier is made to go in your home, in a bedroom where your central air, your HVAC system may be bringing the humidity down from, let's say, 70% to 55%, but you need that extra 5%, whether it's allergies, breathing conditions, or just don't feel comfortable, you just like it a little bit drier. This unit is made to bring it from 55% to 50%. It's also only made for a small bedroom. This unit will only pull air from about 15 foot around it. So this crawl space is quite big. I mean, this unit right here might be pulling in the air right here, and that is it. So most of these units also discharge the air straight up, which pushes the air into the bottom of your flooring, your subfloor. Commercial crawl space dehumidifiers will circulate the air out the side to push the air around. So just wanted to make a quick note of that. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money. It's not going to work. We'll scroll through here pretty quick. Obviously they're discharging it right into there. This is an odd crawl space with stuff like this. We don't typically see that stuff. Looks like it was built this way. See some signs of standing water there. Debris in the foundation vents. Standing water. Again, we're just going, this is just framed. This is not typical. It's not wrong at all. It's just not typical, and we were able to work through it. Not a problem. There's some mold and fungal growth going on there. You can see it's 73% humidity, 73 degrees down there. So humidity is definitely too high. That temperature is about normal. And a little bit of settlement or something going on here. You can see the water running down right there as well. Discoloration up there. You can see the tinfoil coating or color is wearing off, telling us there is high humidity going on. There's some more discoloration. And this crawl space is just super chopped up. Again, this is not normal. It's not wrong. It's just we don't see this quite often. Here's some signs of water running in. You can see it running down from the outside. Tinfoil coating is wore off of the HVAC ductwork. More debris in the foundation vents. A little bit of water damage here, not sure what that is from. Our drawing panel, and here we are starting to clean the mold. You can see how good that wood looks. Installing the sump pump basin for the drainage system. Here we are digging the drainage. I'm going to fill that in with gravel. There's our discharge line. Here we are putting the foam board up and starting the encapsulation process. So we'll scroll through these. Foam board. Again, we're not used to all this compartmentalization, if you will, how compartmentalized this crawl space is. but we were able to make it work. Sump pump down there. So overall, for a project that we rarely get to do similar to this, it turned out pretty good. This customer actually had a gas furnace, so we had to install a fresh air intake for this per code. There's that fresh air intake going out. See what it looks like on the outside of the house. So yeah, so just wanted to walk you through that. So some key points here. Don't waste your time or money on the store-bought dehumidifiers. Lowe's, Home Depot, they're not going to work. If you're going to put one in, it's got to be a commercial crawl space or basement dehumidifier. Second thing is, if you have a gas furnace in the crawl space, it has to be both the exhaust and the intake has to be exhausted or took to the outside. Most of the time they will run the exhaust out, but they'll leave the intake in the crawl space. So if you're going to encapsulate your crawl space, it's got to get to the outside. So hopefully y'all learned something here. Again, if you like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Drop us a comment below. Give us a thumbs up. Just say something. Leave us an emoji. It doesn't matter. But hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.